So here we have Dyson company's most advanced cordless vacuum cleaners. These can be used in home, offices, as it is having good power of suction, and it has many features like touchless dust emptying features and strong suction powers. It can run for up to 40 minutes after one charging cycle, and it has a totally flexible head and can be used on multiple types of surfaces, carpets. The latest Dyson V8 model is having MRP of 43,900 rupees, and you can get a good amount of discount in it. It has 2 cleaning heads with 7 accessories included. As you can see, it can suck a good amount of dirt from any kind of surfaces, let it be hard or soft surface or carpet area.
This is only on medium mode.
Okay.
So there are 3 modes. Okay. So this is eco. So less power in eco. Then it was eco, auto when the one I showed you, and this is boost, most
Maximum.
powerful. Yeah.
और इसका डस्ट हम लोग एम्प्टी कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली.
This is the bin. Okay. So you just need to take a dustbin under this or something, wherever you want to eject it out. Just pull this out and the dust is out. If you feel like it's really dirty, then just press this L button and pull it out.
Okay.
Wash this, but make sure it is completely dried up and then you use it.
Okay.
Okay. You can wipe this with the dry cloth, but not wet. Only
Dry.
yeah. So you can just put this. There is filter. This is HEPA filter and this is normal filter. So this you can wash, but make sure this is completely dried up again. You can just see the dust. So what happens? It's sucking up the air, but बाहर निकलने के लिए थोड़ा
filter, air filter.
तो air filter होना चाहिए ना. So it's just a filter.